In this video, you'll learn how to make t-shirts, standard shirts, and pants. Use our clickable sections below to keep track of what step you're on during this tutorial. Before you're able to upload your own designs, you'll need to have Roblox Premium. You can purchase Premium status by clicking the Premium button from the main menu, and then selecting a plan. Roblox offers two types of shirts, t-shirts and standard shirts. Standard shirts can be fully customized via a template to look however you want. However, t-shirts are a solid colored clothing option, with the only customization being an image on the front that you can choose. To make a t-shirt, go to Create, and then click T-shirts. From there, click Choose File, and select an image you want to use for the graphic. The optimal size for this image is 512 by 512 pixels. Once you've chosen your image, click Upload, and your t-shirt is complete. To make a standard shirt, go to Create, and then click Shirts. Before you start working on your shirt, you'll need the shirt template. You can get this by clicking Download it here. From there, download the image and open it up in your image editing software of choice. This tutorial will be using Photoshop for this example. On the template are sections for the torso, right arm, and left arm. Each section is divided into front, left, right, up, down, and back. These sections each correspond to an area on the Roblox character, as shown by the diagram. The dotted lines show the maximum limits for the height of gloves and lower leg details on R15 models. To start working on your design, create a new transparent layer and begin to paint over the sections. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can upload it by going back to the Shirts tab under Create. Click Choose File and select your shirt design. From there, click Upload, and your shirt is complete. To make pants, go to Create, and then click Pants. Like shirts, you'll need the pants template before getting started. Click Download it here. From there, open up the image in your image editor of choice. The pants are divided into torso, right leg, and left leg sections. Just like the shirt, each section also has faces that correspond to areas on the diagram. The dotted lines show the maximum limits for the height of shoes and for lower leg details on R15 models. From here, design the pants however you desire, within the bounds set by the template. Once you're done, you can upload your design by going to the Pants tab under Create. Click Choose File and select your pants design. From there, click Upload, and your pants are complete. Before you can wear the clothes you've made, you'll have to wait for them to be approved by the Roblox team. Once they're approved, you'll see a thumbnail beside your clothing. In order to sell your clothes on the Roblox marketplace, click the cog icon beside the clothing you want to sell and click Configure. Then go to Sales and click the slider beside Item for Sale. This will then prompt you to put a price on the article of clothing. Once you've decided your price, click Save, and you're good to go.